What's up, fam? Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Why do I suck? Why do I suck? What's up, fam? Why do I feel like saying that? I don't know. Dude, it's freaking cold in my house. I need to take a shower, but I'm like freezing. I always hate like filming videos walking around my house, especially when I'm home alone, because I'm afraid that there's gonna be like a ghost in the background. Dude, I'm so cold. Look what Remy did to me. Remy, did you do this? Did you do this? That's a guilty look if I ever did see one. What, Bubba's? You're such a sweet boy. Okay. You need to calm down. Stop. Okay, so I just like suck at vlogging. But we all know this. This is not new information. Guys, did you know that Remy is a registered emotional support animal? Can you tell? Like, look, he gives the best hugs. Remy, hey, can you give hugs? Oh, sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy. I mean, he maybe gets a little bit too aggressive with them sometimes, but... Ouch! Okay, no more. Jesus. So I really need to take a shower, but I'm so cold. I actually like did my makeup and like fixed my hair today. But of course I didn't vlog anything when I was like, you know, looking decent. Remy just tripped. Oh, y'all want an update on the unicorn? Did you do this? Did you break your unicorn? I just bought you this unicorn and you already destroyed it. Why'd you do that? Here you go, Bubs. Take your broken unicorn. Get fuzz all over the floor so I can pick it up. He's like, I'm sorry. Here's my unicorn. I don't really know what I'm doing. I went to the gym like always. I went home like always. And I can't do a nighttime routine because I already did one of those. I don't know, y'all. I need to do some laundry. I'm tired. I'm whiny. Okay, bye. So, this vlog is gonna be super short and super uneventful because I didn't do much, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. And I hate going to sleep with wet hair because I wake up and it looks crazy, but too tired to care. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.